Okay, so this is a very unplanned video, but I'm still gonna make it. This is a great day. This is a day where I receive and unbox my navigation tower, my rally tower for the KTM 450 XC. And I'm not gonna make myself wait any longer than this. I have been waiting for forever, it feels like. Feels as if I have been waiting my entire life for this. But still, it was quite quick progress, because this is what I understand it as more or less custom made for my bike. Maybe not like when I order it, they make it on like when you order it, they make the parts. So this is from a company that's called adventurebike.be. It's a Belgium company. So and the customer service has been really good. You can just hit them up on Instagram. They respond like at least within a day. I think it was a couple of hours for me. And you just make the arrangements. They have a couple of specific models which they make equipment to, and this is for the EXC model, enduro model of the 450, KTM 450, which comes with, I don't think this is for road use, but I don't really care. This is so nice, it looks really good, and it kind of has this angel eyes. I don't know the strength on the headlights and the electronics, but whoop. It's gonna mount like this on the bike, on which I am to mount the roadbook holder and the trip meter and some other electronics that you can just. It has some holes here so we can put like buttons and switches and stuff like that, and it looks really well machined actually. And for a pretty decent price, you can buy stuff like this, like mounts for road books, where you just mount the road book on the handlebars for maybe 200 euros or so. But this I got for let's say, I think it was maybe 450 euros. So it's a fair amount of money, but still it's a custom-made piece, and it mounts to the frame and the front fork instead of the handlebars. So I think the handling of the bike doesn't get as affected with this one as if you were to mount the road book right on the handlebars. This is it's not super heavy, but it has some kilos to it. I think it's maybe 3 kilograms or so. But I can't wait to get it on to see how it fits, and to see how the bike looks, because this is when the project takes off to from a like enduro bike to a enduro rally bike, and that feels great, because now I'm going for it, and soon I'm gonna pay the fees for the competition and stuff like that this week. I just got my blood tested because I need to put that into the documents before I can apply. So then I also need to have like my blood group on a sticker on the bike. I don't know why. I hope they don't trust on that sticker just before they if I'm in an accident or anything like that. Hopefully I'm not. Anyway, I'm gonna look into this, and then I'm gonna make another update.